Welcome to Bright Tech Vision, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create pins on Canva that will allow you to make money on Pinterest. So I'm on Canva right now, and with Canva you can do so many different things here, and you can create a lot of different things such as videos, Facebook posts, and Pinterest pins. There's so many things you can create, and you don't necessarily have to get the paid version, the pro version. On Canva there's a whole platform here that you can use for whatever needs you might have in terms of designing whatever you need. It can be YouTube thumbnails as well, but for the purpose of this video we'll be creating a pin. So you can see here, you can see Pinterest pin, but what we want to do is we want to search it up. So for this example, type in Pinterest. So we type in Pinterest and you get three different options, but we don't want the character ad. We're interested in these two. So with regards to this one, you got different sizes here. You got 1080, 1920, you got 1000, 1500. So for this purpose we'll be doing 1080, 1920. So we click this one, and what that does is allow us to create a canvas in terms of the size that we chose. Now we're on this page and we can create a template, and you got a bunch of different templates here that you can pick. So if you want to take the more easier route, you can pick this one, pick a template of your choice, and just build it from there. But for the purpose of this video, we'll be starting from scratch and creating this completely blank pin. So from our own template, from our own idea. So create a blank Pinterest pin. So we open that up. So once we've opened our own blank Pinterest pin, we have this whole blank white page here, and from this one we can create our pins. We can even add in our templates here if we want to. So with regard to Pinterest, there's all different pins that you can create in terms of advertising your whatever product or whatever service you might have. So let's say for the purpose of this one we want to create a pin with regards to how you can create pins on Pinterest. So what we want to do is, there's a bunch of different things here. So we got templates, which you got different templates you can use, elements where you can add in like different shapes, different animations, and upload, you can upload your own images, text, you can add in your own different text, photos, you have different photos here in Canva that you can use, and logos. If you have any logos you can put it here. So what we want to start off with is we want to start off with a text. So let's add in a heading, and like I said, we want to create this one about how to create pins on Pinterest. Alright, so we got our title for the pin. So we want to make this a little bit smaller because we don't want it to fill up the whole page. So we got that one, how to create pins on Pinterest. Alright, now we want to put this into something that will make it look nice. So we can create, we're going to add an element here, we'll put it in the shape. So let's pick this one here. So we got this shape here, so we can add this one near the top somewhere. Now we don't want it to fill up the whole page. Like I said, we want to make it look nice, we want to make it aligned. So what we want to do is, you got an aligning tool here on Canvas. You can see if it's aligned. We want to make this slightly bigger so we can accommodate for the text. So we want to add this one, make this one slightly bigger, just so that I can accommodate for our text. And you want to make sure it's aligned there. Now let's say that we want to change the font on this one. You got it here. You got a whole different fonts here. I usually tend to use League Spartan, so that's the font that I have. Obviously if it's the page, you want to make it slightly bit smaller so that it just fits. So we got how to create pins in Pinterest. And let's say I want to change the color of the shape I got. Let's change it to dark blue color or something like that. And let's change this one to a white color. There we go. We got how to create pins on Pinterest. So now it looks a little bit nicer, and it kind of puts on the page like that. So another thing you can add is you can add in your logo on the page. So you got a logo that you have. So you can see my images here. You can add in your logo here. You can just click that or drag it along, whichever you prefer. And what you want to do is you can put it anywhere you want on the page, but I tend to put it like here, the bottom. You have to make it look nice. You can put it anywhere you want, but as long as it's not out of place, like for example here, obviously, you want to put it somewhere where it would look like it would fit, on the page. We got the logo there. Now we got our title. The main thing with Pinterest is you want to make sure that the title of your pin actually stands out. And when you do your keyword research, for example, with your title, you want to make sure that the keyword stands out. So let's say the keyword was Pinterest here, and let's say we want to make this stand out. So we highlight Pinterest, and we can change that color. Let's say change it to pink, to match my branding or match my logo. So I changed it to pink to make sure that that's the keyword that stands out, because you want to make sure that it's searchable. You want to make sure that the user knows exactly what your content is about. So we got that one, and now let's make it look nicer. Let's add in a photo. Let's say we want to add in this one here. So you want to drag this one along there. Now you got a photo on your blank canvas for your pin. So that looks a little bit nicer now. So you got keyword highlighted, you got your logo, and you got your image. So this would do for your basic pin. You could add in a description here of what your pin is, but that will usually be added on your pin anyway when you add it on Pinterest. So we got that one. You got a bunch of different images here that you can use. So some of them are free, some of them are paid, depending on you got the Canva Pro version. So we got this one, and this is sort of our basic pin. Now what you want to do is you got a title here, and if you want to export this one, you want to click share, and you want to click download. So what this does, it downloads it locally to your computer. So you click download, and that should download it to your computer, which you can view. You can open that one, and you can see it on your local computer. Now what you want to do is you want to post it on Pinterest. You want to click on create, and you want to click on create pin. So you want to click this section here to add in your pin image. So here's our pin image in the download section. We open that up. So now we have our pin that we created in Canva. Now you can put it on a border you're choosing here. In a future video I talked about how you can get approved for boards in Pinterest, and how you can get approved for a board and put your content there and get it, get a more wider audience for it, so you can actually make money for your pins. So you can add in your titles here for your pins. You can add in description. Now here, the destination link, you can put in your website link or an affiliate link. An affiliate link is what will help you make money with regards to the content that you create. So if you have an affiliate link here and you're trying to sell a service, if they click it, they make money from it based on the commission. I'll go in a future video with regards to affiliate marketing, affiliate links, to help you understand that in more further details. But if you have something like that, essentially this is what will allow you to generate money for your pins on Pinterest. Now you can publish it here. You can choose any publishing date, whatever you want. But that's essentially how you create pins and how you publish it on Pinterest. So hopefully this tutorial that I've showed you on Canva on how to create pins has helped. And in a future video, I'll go with you guys on how you can create boards on Pinterest and how you can do something in regards to affiliate marketing. But hopefully that's helped. And if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you have any more video suggestions, just leave them in the comment below. And I'll see you guys later.